Hello, yes, good afternoon and salam alaikum. I'm from the Sultanate of Oman, and basically I run a company called Holistic Solutions, and I'm here in Austria today learning about geovital and about radiation and electro wave and magnetic waves. And basically, to be quite honest, it's quite interesting being here, learning about what is and to share it back home and what we can do in order to improve it, people's health in terms of building, in terms of their houses, or even during their construction, building materials. All I can say is it's been great and nice to be in the training here. It's been a great honor to meet the owner and the consultants, and I'm looking forward to actually share this back home. And all I can say is thank you and goodbye.